What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hey, listen, if you are having issues trading Forex, I am about to help you, okay? And I am going to help you profit in this market, all right? I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex properly, all right? So we're going to go ahead and get into it. And before we get into this video, just know that when it comes to trading Forex, you need to be in the right place mentally. You need to have a skill set. You have to make sure that you understand this technical analysis. Right? There are also fundamental analysis, which is news, but what's very important is your mental state and having a skill set. You need to understand that being in the right place mentally is going to help you trade better. If you're not in the right place mentally, you do not need to trade a Forex. Don't put your eggs all in this one basket and thinking like this is going to make you happy. This is something that's going to fulfill all your dreams, because it's not. It's going to help you. And yes, even if you get the whole bag and you get where you want to be in Forex, it's definitely going to help your dream. But at the same time, don't take it all as your all, okay? There's so many ways to invest, and it's not just in Forex, but Forex, in my opinion, is the best way to profit and make money when it comes to being financially free. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this video. I want for my students, anybody else who are watching this video, understand why I am doing this, why I am teaching you how to trade. All right, so if you are a beginner trader, all right, and you need to start from step one, all right, there's tons of different videos you can look at, but this is something that you need to consider. Take down notes, even if you don't know it, but this is for people who've already got their feet wet a little bit as well. All right, so listen, when it comes to the market, Forex market, and you really are looking how to trade, you need to understand trends. All right, trends so important. Okay, if you do not understand trends, then you're not going to get anywhere much in the market. Okay, our job is not to figure out what's all going on in the market, okay? Because we aren't the ones that's in control in the market. The big banks are, okay? It's our job to react to what's happening, all right? Whatever is happening in the market and how we are going to react to the market, how you're going to make your profits, okay? There will be losing days, even sometimes losing weeks, but it's your job to manage your risk and know when to get in and when to get out, okay? And when to call it done, because over trading, revision trading is awful, right? So what's very important is we have to understand, if you really want to become really great at Forex, you need to understand the trend, all right? So anytime I am starting out my day, right, I am on the 1 hour time frame. You see all this? I am looking for a trend, all right? So the current trend right now is up. All right, this is an uptrend that I am currently looking at, okay? And so anytime you want to start your day out trading, whether you trade your on a 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, the daily time frame, the 15-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame, it is so important that you trade with the trend. If you trade counter trend or against the trend, in my opinion, I'm not saying this wrong, because there is no 100% right way to trade, but I would say that you are putting yourself at a greater risk to losing money when you are trading against the trade, okay? You need to trade with the trend, not against the trend, okay? So this is an uptrend, all right? So if I am trading with the trend, now this is an uptrend, I need to find a zone that's going to help me trade with the trend. All right, so for example, I already see a demand zone somewhere that is going to help me identify an entry. All right, so let's just start from right here. All right, we see that this the markets are making a made a low right here. All right, here's two highs, and then it broke these highs, right? Made another high equal to this high, but then it came back to retest, right? So just understand that the market is currently breaking a high, okay? And it could currently break this. So what do we call that? An uptrend. Why? Because it's making higher highs and higher lows, okay? So we have low, high, low, high, okay? So we look for a buy setup, right? So see that the market has broke to the upside, right? So what I am looking for is, personally, I'm going to show you what I do. I usually trade on a 5-minute time frame, but I'm going to show you on a 1-hour time frame, okay? On a 1-hour time frame, on the bigger time frames, you might have to wait a little bit longer, but I'm going to show you how I would trade this, all right? So I see a breaker structure to the high, and what I want to do is find a demand zone right here, in my opinion, that I want the market to come back to retest to. That's going to help me get the best buy setup possible. So think of it as like a discount. Let's just say the market is offering you $5. Let's just say they're selling you $5 and you're like, wow, that's cheap. But you have to wait 3 months, right? And then for right now, they are selling it currently at $100, right? There might be some people who may have ridiculous money, but nobody's really, if in their right mind, is going to pay $100 if they can just wait 3 months for something to go on sale to only purchase it for $5, right? So we're going to call that a discount. So we want the market to give us a discount, right? If the market is trending all the way up, we don't want to buy at a very high. We don't want to buy like in this area, right? We want to buy, all right, in this area. This is the discount, all right? So we want the market to come back here at a discounted price so we can get in and it'll trend back up, right? So the market is we have to wait. This is a patient game. This isn't we're gonna make money from today to tomorrow. And you can, at the same time, I consistently do it, all right? So this is very, very important. Take notes of this, right? So what I'm gonna do is wait on retest. Now that was already my retest, and I could have got in, but that's not what I'm going to show you just yet, all right? So even that could have been my discounted price, which is right here, and I could have run up right here. That's 50 pips. My stop loss is 20 pips. Of course, that would have been good for me. But let's just say if I was just to wait some more. All right, the market is going up, and let's just say right here is our say right here is our $100 price. All right, and let's just say right here our $5 price. And you'll get at the end of the video, you're going to get why I'm saying, right? So the market is currently at $100. You're waiting 3 months, right? Then all of a sudden, the market comes back down and gives you right here. The market comes back down right here, and it gives you that $5 touch. All right, and let's just say anybody who is here can get in at $5. All right. Now this is just an example. I will normally not risk 40 pips, so I'm just giving you an example. All right, and then on top of that, once you get into a discounted price, the market will give you exactly what you want, okay? And that will be, of course, a 70, 80. Now, the reason why I am saying this is because this is just a really good analogy. Is when you're going with the trend, you want to find a buying opportunity at a discounted price. You never want to buy at $100 high. You want to buy at a $5 low. The market is giving you a discounted price. Okay, I hope you understand that. So let's go into another scenario of a downtrend. So here's your downtrend, right? You have your downtrend move, right? And since you are looking for sales now in the downtrend, I am going to give you another example. Okay. So here's this one. All right. So the market is going down completely. You know it's going down. All right. So let's just say jumps up. Boom. Let's just say, for example, right here, this is your $100 price. Now, some people, and I don't know why, in their right mind, will literally try to get in for sales at a $100 price. You don't want to do that. You want to get it in at your little discount price, right? Which is what? $5. I'm telling you guys, if you see this analogy all the time, this is really going to help you. Okay? So you're really wanting to trade with the what? With the trend. All right? Still at $100. Boom. So let's go back a little bit. All right. So even though the market's showing a bearish candlestick, it's just showing you where it tested. Once it touched that high, the market's saying, here's your opportunity. Get in at a time of a $5 price. All right. Get in, stop loss here. Boom. All right. And the market said, you know what, because you got in at a discounted price, we're going to take off for you and you're going to make your bread at $100. And then on top of that, however you tend to hold. All right. So this is how you trade Forex, guys. You trade with the trend. A lot of people don't understand that if you trade against the trend, you're not going to win. You're not going to win. All right. You need to trade with the trend. It's so key to trade with the trend. All it is literally all you're doing is just identifying a trend. All right. And you're trying to see where the best price is to get in. If it's an uptrend, you want it to go up more. If it's a downtrend, it's go down. All right. So for a final example, you see an uptrend like this. All right. Well, here's the thing. Here's your low. Wait for it to come down to this low, right? Then buy off, and boom. It's literally that simple. Same thing with a downtrend, right? Wait for it to this. It's still up, all right? It's really that simple, right? Some people call this, SMC, smart money concepts. It could be called supply and demand trading, trend trading, whatever you want to call it. I'm telling you, the way I trade is supply and demand. You guys just have to understand that when it comes to Forex, learning how to trade Forex, you have to understand you have to have a really good skill set. You have to be in a mental place, correct mental place. You have to understand this is mostly technicals, but you also have to realize in general that when you trade with the market, when you trade with the trend, you are going to become friends with the trend. It's going to help you in the long run. I hope this video was helpful. If you need help trading in any form, shape, any shape or form, and you just really need help, of course, I have a private group. It's in my description, but it's not even about that. Hey, this is a free YouTube video right here. You don't need to join my group. And it's not about joining groups, guys. Trust me, it's not about that. The reason why people are in my private group is because they want to learn, and I take my trading seriously. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.